What's up, guys? Day 2 of the exhaust on the turbo E36 right-hand drive, all that keyword stuff. Yesterday, as you guys saw, Justin banged out this beautiful, insane downpipe. Enough pies to feed a whole village. It's crazy, it's a beautiful fit, and now we have to complete this all the way to there. Oh, hey Justin. You ready to party or what?
Yes, I felt like Chris Fix for a minute there.
So we're getting a little late starting today, but I think we can finish it tonight. We'll find out. We're gonna put Justin on overdrive and we're gonna bang it out. So, I don't know, I guess, how do we get started?
We're gonna get started by going from the V-band that we put on the end of the downpipe, extending it just a hair off of that, and then we're gonna do a few more pie cuts to get a straight section that we can build off of for the back half of the exhaust system.
Perfect. And since I like quiet cars, we're gonna add a few things to it. One, we're gonna add a flex pipe just because this will allow stress off of the rest of the exhaust higher up in the front of the car. I got a Vibra ultra quiet muffler to make this thing ultra quiet. And then should I show them the muffler or should we save it?
Save it.
Save it. We're gonna save the muffler. It's a nice touch.
All right, so you guys were wondering, there's somebody commented on the video, was like, hey, can you show more of how you actually fit everything? Well, this is how we do it. Use aluminum pipe because it's nice and light. And then what we'll do is now we notice that this is too long. So if we put a bend here, we'll end up too low. So we need to raise this up. And we can do that by shortening this little guy. All right, so it looks like we're gonna need a pipe that's about,
yay long.
yeah, like 1.5 inches, 2 inches maybe. And then that'll give us that angle. We'll run a pie cut or two off of here and get that straight back that way. And now, we're gonna see where this actually ends up. I'd say we're pretty good right about there.
Disclosure, this whole video is gonna be cutting and test fitting and then welding.
It's like just cutting, testing, welding, putting back up, taking down. It's a pain in the butt, but it works.
That's a nice fit. Ooh. Nice. All right, I'm gonna use YouTube magic on this one. See if I got it still. All right, the magic didn't work, but it's on the car, it's all welded up. It looks really awesome as one piece. So as you guys can see, it comes down nice and level, and now we're gonna make it so it comes into the trans tunnel. Justin's back on the pies.
Back on the pie.
All right, so that's gonna bring us to the center of the tunnel. Then we have to find a place to cram this. So this is a resonator, and this is gonna quiet it down a little bit. And it's a little tight in the center, but we're thinking the best spot is gonna be basically right in front of the brace.
Yeah.
So we just need to make a piece that connects the two now, right?
Yep, yeah, and then we'll get everything up and out of the way too.
Perfect. Yeah, that'll do. All right, so the mid pipe looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's looking good. We're just gonna weld this up now, and then we'll put the resonator on and weld that on.
And then
we'll just keep building backwards.
So I think we came to consensus that we're gonna put a V-band around this area right here, just so I could actually separate the mid-pipe section from basically the axle back. More cutting, more tacking, more welding. Let's get to it. So we ran out of the Stainless Bros piping, which is nice and polished and really nice looking. So Justin got a piece of Vibrant that comes kind of shitty, so this is how you make the Vibrant look nice.
We're gonna polish it.
This is hilarious. Gonna shine this thing right up.
Just watch your fingers
Yep.
right there.
That's much better.
Way better.
To to make sure it all fits perfectly, Justin's gonna tack it in the car this time.
Yeah, we just do the longer sections need to go on the car because just that little bit of deviation from making marks and welding can mean, you know, a 1/4 inch of mistake up front can be 3 inches of mistake in the rear. So that didn't sound good at all.
You flexing on the gram over there?
Oh yeah.
That's right.
I wish I had the downpipe out too, so we could put it all together.
Oh yeah, right? For the ladies. All right, let's give them the full tour of. So this will be the mid. We'll call this the mid pipe, right?
Yeah, the mid pipe.
The mid pipe. This is a big mid pipe, but check it out. So we have our V band to flex, a little bend in it, come around. Beautiful pies. Come to the center of the car. Some more beautiful pies, ultra quiet. Tune offset to another V band where we're going to be ready to make our axle back.
Yeah, the axle back, and you guys will get to see the muffler too.
Ooh, it's pretty. It's been a long day on this one. We both had a late start on this one today, so I think tomorrow we're gonna finish off the axle back.
Yeah, we'll do the axle back and the hangers.
And then the hangers. I hate doing hangers. That's the worst part. Because you think you're done, and then there's just a whole nother couple hours worth of bullshit you got to do.
Yeah, well, luckily we'll be able to put it up with the pole jacks, and then we can make the hangers. I'll roll the welder over again, and we'll just tack them in place.
And bingo bango. There it goes. So Justin, get some sleep tonight, all right?
Yes, sir.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
All right, day 2 of the exhaust video, and it's snowing. This is literally the first time it's like snowed all season. And now that I finally have a Subaru, it's time. I'm not gonna lie. Me and RJ just took it out, and my tires are so bad. This thing is disgustingly sketchy in the snow, which can argue makes it a little bit more fun. Ooh, get it, B. Oh, Manji, real quick. Ooh. You having fun?
Yeah, buddy.
I'm a little jealous of the rear-wheel drive.
Yeah, you got a lot more angle out of this bad boy.
All I smell is oil.
That's you.
That is me.
Yeah, it's not me.
All right, well.
Look at RJ. RJ's doing it.
Oh.
RJ!
Oh, is that a...
RJ! Oh my God, he hit the curb.
Did he just hit the curb?
Yeah, he hit the curb.
All right, what? Is he stuck? Oh, he's good. He's going for it again.
Oh. Never mind the front bumper.
Oh.
Yeah, RJ, yeah! Woo! Oh, not again.
All right, I'll see you later, all right?
Yeah.
Have a good day, B. All right, since it's day 2, I feel like I can actually show you guys the muffler now. So ready? Surprise, surprise.
There she is.
There she is. So it's a 2-to-1. Yeah. See, we did the fork can on the E30 and I felt guilty about it. I feel like Euro cars need a dual tip.
Yeah, they always have to have a dual tip.
And you guys know it's my favorite, the wrinkle black. So show them how it looks in there. Oh, see, that looks so good. Nice and casual. Nice piece. I love that.
Very subtle and understated.
Love it.
Like a fine piece of art.
What did you do with that thing?
I'll show you.
I see you with the tips and tricks.
Yes. If we do just one pie, we can see that this wire is tweaked.
Oh, that's cool. It's like a little feeler gauge.
Yeah. So now as we rotate this, and it touches there, then we know what we need for pie cuts.
Now we looking. Oh, well, I got you. No, I don't. Let me put the camera down. Yep, there we go. All right, so Justin's taking these right here, little exhaust hangers, bending them up real quick, making some pretty fancy things out of them. so it looks like we'll be able to utilize some factory exhaust hanger points like in the muffler, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna use this middle point right here. Perfect placement with all the weight being mainly in this area anyway, so I think we'll be good.
This will work out really good. And we'll just chop it here, and we'll do one here and one on the other side.
We'll stop being this thing ain't going nowhere.
And we'll be going.
All right, now you can pull the jack off.
All right.
All right, let me rephrase that. Now you may move the jack. Ooh, okay.
Look at that. See, now here's the trick. You pre-tension these before you weld them, so that when you take it off the jack, it doesn't move.
Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is, boys. Mmm, the Morfab sauce. Lay down on the E30. Blessed.
I prefer gravy.
The Morfab gravy.
Which sounds gross in and of itself.
Just check. Ooh, take it in.
Wow, that looks good. We gotta clean that up though. It looks dirty. She's a little dirty.
Oof. Yes. Oh my God. I'm one happy customer, Justin.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
Yeah. No, I'm real happy about this. This is beautiful. This is good. This is very good. This car deserves it. Oh, she's 32. All right, guys. So the exhaust, it fits perfect. It looks perfect. It's classy. It's crazy. And it's just a beautiful piece. And I hate that we just can't start the car right now and hear how it sounds, because we usually can. Not this time.
Yeah, that's the worst. I was like, yes, it's done. Now we can. No, we can't start.
Yeah. It'll be quick though. So now at this point, we're going to pull the exhaust entirely off. I'm going to pull the engine back out. We're going to paint the engine bay, and everything's going back in. It'll be quick because I have most of the parts. Once I get a few miscellaneous stuff, the fuel stuff comes in, we can throw it together in just a few days, and then we could finally hear it. And of course, Justin's gonna be the first one to hear it, trust me. I'm gonna call him like, come down right now.
Just remember, brake booster last.
Brake booster last.
Yeah.
Oh boy. So, it's been a long 3 days for Justin. You've been hauling ass.
Yeah, it's been pretty good. This was a nice one. I like doing these.
Yeah, it worked out pretty well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are.
So, there it is, guys. There's the Morfab Touch, absolutely beautiful. And I've been freaking out about it quite a bit. So you guys know the deal. Check out Justin's channel, the link in the description. If you want to see more stuff like this, more DIY stuff, even some maintenance stuff and some cool tips and tricks, right?
Yeah, definitely. And thank you to you guys who have subscribed so far. I think in the last 3 days I've gained like 500 subscribers.
That's dope.
So it's crazy.
So stay tuned for that. And all I can say is, Justin, thank you. This is amazing. And I'm so excited. So let's get this thing boxed. We'll come back and get the shot. We'll get it tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
It's snowing out.
You can sleep here overnight.
All right, perfect. So with that, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you tomorrow.